If we want to set up the secure folder on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then first of all, we need to open settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down until you find the security and privacy option, then proceed to more security settings over here, and you should be able to find secure folder. So go over here, press continue, and then more and next. And now let's wait a couple of seconds to let the phone set up the secure folder. Now we can choose the password type that you wish to have for your secure folder. You can choose PIN, password, or pattern. And in addition to that, you can also set up a fingerprint sensor specifically for the secure folder if you want to. So if you tap on the switcher, then you will have the setup of the password and the biometric. In my case, I'm just gonna stick with the password. So I'm gonna set up my password, of course, enter it twice to confirm. There we go. You can also use your Samsung account to be able to reset the password in case you forget it, but I'm just gonna press don't allow and then press OK. And now we can proceed by pressing next. Over here we can allow background activity while the secure folder is locked, or you can close all apps while it is locked. So we're gonna press done. And here we have our secure folder. You can add apps to the secure folder by pressing on this plus button. Over here you have the list of apps that you have installed on your smartphone, and you can also download new apps from the Play Store or from the Galaxy Store. So let's say I'm going to add Facebook and Instagram, and let's press add. And there we go, here we can find our apps. Remember that you can find more settings by tapping on these three dots, definitely worth checking out. And you can find the secure folder by default in the app drawer over here. You can change the appearance of this app in case you want to, or you can completely hide the secure folder from the app drawer, I believe. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.